So now that we know that this bathroom is the appropriate size to use a TubTight transfer bench, and I have bought one, what do I do when I get it home?
Well, first thing you do is you set the legs to the height that you need. The bath seat should be above the side wall of the tub by at least 2 inches. That way it allows the clamp to work properly. You preset the clamp bar up above this button. This push button here will hold the clamp bar in place. It weighs 8 pounds, so you want to have it secured, otherwise it'll slide down. You open the jaws on the clamp here, the paddle. So what you could do is hold the arm of the paddle and turn this to the left, and as you're turning to the left you pull the arm, and that way it'll open up far enough that'll fit on the side of the tub. So once everything is preset or set up, you lift the chair and you bring it over and you set it down on top of the side wall. Once you have done that, then this push button here that's holding the clamp in place, you release that, you allow it to slide down until the top of the clamp hits the top of the side wall.
Okay.
And once you have done that, then what you do is you tighten the clamp to secure the transfer bench.
By turning it?
By turning it to the right, righty-tighty.
Okay.
I'm sure you've heard of that. And then one of the last things you have to do, you have a support rod that goes to the edge of the chair, and it comes down through the clamp bar. So you take this knob and turn it to the left, it's like loosening it, and so you bring it down until it just makes contact on the bar, on the clamp bar. So don't over tighten it, just bring it and make it contact.
So don't tighten that one, just the other one.
So, yep, and now see the chair is secure, it's not going to go anywhere.
Okay, most people who need a transfer bench are quite likely unable to go in the shower without a chair, I'm assuming.
That's true, and what I did, I brought along a bath chair with me. And I had preset the legs on this. They're adjusted the exact same way as the transfer bench by depressing these buttons on the legs. And what I did is I adjusted it so it's the same height of the transfer bench.
Same height as the transfer bench, okay.
Yeah. So that way when you slide across, you have a smooth transition.
All right.
For the user. And that's pretty much it.
Okay.
So once everything is set, you set up your shower, and then you can actually close the curtain. You take your shower, when you're done, open the curtain again, and there you go, no water on the floor.
And a clean, smooth transition. Thank you.